Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set private DNS on Android Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set your private DNS, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, click on connections. Scroll down connections, locate and click on more connection settings. Under more connection settings, it should say private DNS. Click on it. Then, to create a private DNS, you need to provide your private DNS provider hostname. Go ahead and click on the check on private DNS provider hostname. And then it should say this space empty. Then go ahead and type dns.hardguard.com and then click on save. To turn this off, click on it again and set this to off or set this to automatic private DNS and click on save, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to set private DNS on Samsung Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.